In this first chapter, we will not plunge into problems and issues. Instead, we consider some important preliminaries. Part 1 will be about the economic perspective and how economists think about problems. Part 2, we examine the specific methods economists use to examine economic behavior in the economy, including distinguishing between macroeconomics and microeconomics. Part 3, we look at the economizing problem from the societal perspective, using the production possibilities model. In our discussion of production possibilities, the concepts of opportunity costs and increasing opportunity costs, unemployment, growth, and present versus future possibilities are all demonstrated. If wants didn't exceed our productive capacity, everyone could have everything that they've ever wanted, and this class wouldn't exist. Since we can't get everything that we want, we have to make choices. The choices that we make are the best options available given the circumstances. Every choice that is made has an impact on the economy. Being in this class right now impacts the economy. The economic perspective is essentially the lens that economists use to view the world. This lens includes 3 parts. Part 1, scarcity and choice. Part 2, purposeful behavior. And Part 3, marginal analysis. Part 1, scarcity and choice. If resources weren't scarce, we wouldn't have to make choices. Because we have to make choices, there is a cost to every choice, and that's called opportunity cost. This is where the phrase, "there's no such thing as a free lunch," comes from. What did you give up to be watching this video right now? What would you be doing if you weren't watching this video right now? Part 2, purposeful behavior. It is important to note that everyone's opportunity cost will be different. Individuals and businesses make rational decisions that at the time appear to be beneficial. Every choice made provides some kind of utility. With rational self-interest, the goal is to maximize utility at the end of the day. This does not mean that we are completely selfish or that we can't make wrong decisions. We get utility when we help others, and often we make decisions we don't have all of the information, so wrong decisions can be made. Firms are rational because they try to maximize their profits. Firms, by the way, is just another word for businesses. Every time we make a choice, we're weighing the marginal benefit and cost, and that's where marginal analysis comes in. We will choose to do something if the marginal benefit is greater than the marginal cost, because that is rational and will help to maximize utility. If a person says, "that's not worth it," then in economic speak, they're saying that the marginal cost is greater than the marginal benefit. Once we have a clear understanding of the economic perspective, we can begin to formulate theories on why individuals and firms make the choices that they do. It's through the scientific method that economic principles and theories are created. Economic principles are generalizations about economic behavior that are true for the average person. This means that the principles are imprecise, but they are still relevant. It is impossible to create principles that are true for every single individual. That's where the other things equal assumption comes in, or known as ceteris paribus. That's the assumption which is common in many sciences. In economics, graphs are also often used to illustrate the relationship between variables.